Yo, what's going on, guys? I do vlog back again with another video. Hope you're all having an amazing day. I just heard the comments saying do more burping videos, and if you guys want me to do more burping videos, and yeah, so I could do it right now. I am doing it right now. So yeah, okay, I'm going to burp a wolf blood. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing burping wolf blood. So okay, here we go. I'm doing it. So okay, guys, let's get started, and here we go. Wolf blood. Wolf blood. Wolf blood. Wolf blood. This is the way you burp. Say wolf blood. You can make a video on your channel. So okay, let's carry. I'm gonna carry on to burping. So okay, here we go. Wolf blood. Wolf blood. Wolf blood. Oh, I can eat this. Wolf blood. Wolf blood. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog there, and hope you enjoy this burping wolf blood challenge. So please subscribe and turn on my notification. That would be great. So please give this video a giant thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.